Slow draining toilets are the worst, right? Like nothing kills the vibe more than having to wait forever for your toilet to flush properly. Okay, so here's the deal. If your toilet is draining super slow, first, try clearing any clogs by using a plunger. You gotta get that seal tight and push with some serious effort, not just a little tap. If that doesn't work, grab a toilet auger, which is basically a snake for your toilet, and twist it down the drain to break up or pull out tougher blockages. Also, check the trapway inside the toilet bowl. Sometimes gunk builds up there and slows everything down. Don't forget to clean those little rim holes under the toilet bowl's edge. They can get clogged with mineral deposits and stop water from flowing right. You can use a wire hanger or a brush to clear those out. Pouring some vinegar in the tank and bowl once a week helps keep those buildups from sticking around too long. Oh, and don't flush stuff like wipes or paper towels. They're not made for toilets and cause tons of slow draining problems. Keeping an eye on what goes down the toilet saves you from nasty backups later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with slow draining toilets is ignoring small clogs until they become huge problems that need a plumber's visit, which can cost hundreds of dollars. Fix it early by plunging regularly and using an auger as soon as you notice issues. Another common problem is not cleaning the rim holes or trapway, so mineral deposits build up and block water flow. Just take a little time to scrub those spots once in a while with vinegar or a brush. Lastly, flushing non-flushable items like wipes or feminine products is a huge no-no. These things clog pipes fast, so stick to only toilet paper to keep your drain flowing smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by hooking up homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. Plus, it helps contractors find real customers looking for help, so everyone wins without the stress or hassle.